Hey guys, what is going on? This is going to be quite a long video. I'm going to assume I should really be streaming right now, but I don't really fancy it. So instead, I'm just going to release a long form video. We're going to be working on my Shopify store. I showed you how to make a free partner account, which you can then make a developer store. And we can start uploading products. And what we're going to actually try and do here is use Printful's internal design maker. So I'm going to go down here and click on design maker. I'm going to hope this is something quick. I think the first thing I'm going to do is just focus on something quick and simple like t-shirts. And one thing I do want to mention before I actually get started with this is just ridiculously long. This process is so long, guys. So if you try and do too many things at once, you're going to really start to get confused. So I'm just going to do simple white t-shirts and simple black t-shirts with a white design and a black design. And yeah, that's basically the idea right here. Okay, so it looks like this one here has got a pretty good rating. It's $14. It's made in the UK, and I think we're actually going to focus on the UK. So okay, so that is black, and we're going to hit white as well. Is there a way to... We don't really want this to be here. That's where we want it to be. Perfect. DTG printing. Perfect. We're just going to click add text here, and we're going to see what happens when we find a keyword. You guys should know how I find keywords by now. It's the exact process I've been showing in all my latest videos. Definitely check out my latest videos. I'm not going to go through how to set this up in this video just because I've shown how to do it so many times. Just please feel free to watch one of my, literally the video I released before this video. If you don't know how to set up Google AdWords Keyword Planner, then that is your friend. So what are we going to be doing here? This looks pretty good, to be honest with you. I think I just want some blank text, basically, some nice readable, something like that might actually be quite good. Okay, so we're probably just going to have to do this one by one, honestly. Let's change this text. Okay, so it's pretty intuitive, honestly. So you just write here. I'm gonna actually use that keyword. So catch flights, not feelings. And I want to see how many searches that has first of all. It seems to have a lot of searches. I mean, yeah, I guess we could just roll with that. I'm going to try and remove some of the words catch, not feelings, and see if there's any troll ones here that we can include. It doesn't look like it. Let's try keywordtool.io for this. Catch, not feelings. I've got, yeah, prepositions down. Oh God. So what we're going to do is for every single one, we're going to check how many all in title. Catch, flights, not feelings. We're going to get some idea of the competition here. 11,000 results. 749 results. It's not even that bad. Let's see how many sales some of these have, if we can. See if this has any sales. No. Yeah, it's not really a good way to see. I don't really like the keyword. It's just done to death, so let's just start with something else. So let's just run with that word though. I like that word. So we'll do catch up with Jesus. I like it. Let's just do it. I don't like this font. This font doesn't work for this at all. How do I remove, delete? Add text. This is, I like this. I actually really like this this design software. This is good. This is just one layer as well. Please just be, nah, why is it always 2 layers? That's so annoying. Wait, you can just add these as well. Wow, this is really cool, honestly. I would like it if it was all on 1 line though. It's kind of annoying that it's always on 2 lines. So yeah, well, obviously we're just perfecting the process right now. Why the hell can I not change this text? Okay, so I think what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to put it on 1 line, to be honest with you. So I'm just going to pick one of these fonts. Let's go with, I like this font. So we're going to just delete the word consistency, and then we're just going to delete the word consistency, thank you. And then we're just going to put the keywords here. It's too big. It needs to be a little bit smaller. Oh, nice! You can change the color on each one. That's good. That's really good. That's perfect. This is so intuitive to make really, really quick designs. I can't change the color apparently. Okay, so I just got something that I was happy with and skipped to the next part, but yeah, this is the outline, and then we're going to click on black and we're going to click on color, and it comes up on the side here. We're going to put white here, and now we have 2 different color designs. I hate that. Why would you not let me do that? Like, what's the point? I guess I could go with red because it looks fine on both. Yeah, maybe gray. Okay, gray. I like gray. Yeah, grey looks good on both. That's fine. We'll just go with that. Maybe give this a bit of an outline. If I give it a white outline, no, it looks shit. You can read it. It's fine. You can read it. Maybe let's use a lighter grey. Why is it like glitching out? I hate that. Stop with the outline. I don't want an outline. I want to change the color. There we go. That looks fine. Is this readable? Let's go in the middle then. That's fine. Whatever is readable. It's fine. Okay, nice. It's pretty good. It's pretty intuitive. I do need to get used to it though, because I've never really used this before. But let's save this to templates. And then let's go to templates, wherever the hell that is. Go to dashboard, templates. Add to store. Really amazing t-shirts. Okay, so we actually need some, we can probably put this on different colors, to be honest. It would look fine on grey, red. Yeah, we can stick some other colours on. Maybe that colour. I don't know. I don't know which ones these. You're not going to be able to read it, so I'm not going to go too crazy with it. But it's not going to let me download these, but I don't think that's a problem really. It's a little bit slow. I will say that now. This process is going to take a long time, just from waiting basically. These are fine. These are nice mock-ups. It looks good. It looks fine. The beautiful thing about this is I could literally just do this over a year and just keep adding stuff and not pay for anything. And then after a year, I would have so many designs, and then you just release them all. Why is it not here? Whatever, that's fine, honestly. Okay, so why is that the main mock-up image exactly? The only one that doesn't have the picture on it? Oh, because I clicked it. That would make sense. Let's go with, I think it looks nice like that, honestly. Or just like that. Oh, actually like that. Yeah, that looks nice. Let's go with that. Okay, so We're going to be using my logic of exact phrase match, so catch up with Jesus. Funny, black and white. I think it's important to write a description for everything, and I'm gonna use Jasper just because I really just can't be bothered. So if you want to use Jasper, you can get it for you can get a free trial of Jasper. I don't really like talking about paid tools, to be honest with you. Generally speaking, I'm not really a fan of talking. Why Jasper is down? Okay, so never mind about Jasper. I guess I'll just have to write. I have to go back to my roots of writing and get some descriptions out there. I guess it's useful for people who want to know how to do this kind of thing. I will say that's not that important. So like the standard description is fine. Playful description. Oh. Nice. On trend description. That's sick. That's so cool. That's such a good feature, honestly. Is it made in the UK? No. For some reason I thought it was made in the UK. This 100% organic is that cotton darling stays true to the tagline. Catch up with Jesus. Let's just quickly run that keyword just in case I'm missing. It's just gonna give me like loads of weird, like, catch up with Jesus. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is really good. Wow. Wow, there are some really good keywords here. Not expecting that. Nice. Black or white, grey text. Whatever, honestly, these descriptions are good enough. I'm not going to waste time doing this, but I am going to add all of these. I'm going to add that as well. Imperial, what does the UK use? What measurement system does the UK use? Pretty sure we use Imperial. I don't even know what we use anymore. Metric. Imperial measures are still in use. Well, yeah, what? For clothes. For women's clothes in the UK. I mean, that's not really very helpful, is it? Oh, I can just have both. That's fine, isn't it? Okay, tags. Tags is the important one here. So, funny, Jesus. The reason these are important is because I'm going to be making collections at some point, and this is how I'm going to be doing it. Okay, so you need to make sure that you cover all your bases here. Catch up with Jesus. Yeah, this is where it gets. This is where you need to do a lot of research to understand everything that you're, like, every niche that you're eventually landing in. This is why it might be better to do what I'm doing, but just do a niche store, because then you already know the niche. You don't have to do niche research every single time, which I'm gonna have to do here. There we go. This is what I need. This is exactly what I need. Perfect. This is just how I'm gonna do it. Okay, so I need to keep these somewhere as well. I recommend that you guys do everything that I'm doing here. I'm doing everything very, very, very carefully, okay? So you have to understand this is a very complicated process. If you make any mistakes along the way because you think, oh, I'm not going to do that because it's not necessary, whatever it might be, you might miss something that's super, super important. So one of these things is going to be Shopify collection tags. You need to keep a note of your tags, okay? And you need to expand on these niches as well, which is probably exactly what I'm going to do, so that we have at least 10 designs for each of these niches. Or like, yeah, I'm probably going to use the same tags for all of these, basically. Doesn't really matter if it's the same collection, it's still another SEO page at the end of the day. So we'll start with Catch Up with Jesus, and I'll do 9 more designs in this niche, and that's probably just going to be the end for now. I could actually create the collection already, which would save me some time, but why is this not appearing? No, it's fine. I'll make the collection after. It doesn't matter. It's fine. It's just as easy. It doesn't really make a difference. Okay, so that will do. That's our first one. Let's go to pricing. This is going to be difficult for me. I'm not really going to be able to give you any decent advice here. I'm just going to put a price that I think people will pay, basically. I want to make at least £5 per t-shirt, so let's try £20 and see where that hits. It's a little bit high. I think that's a little bit high for a t-shirt. £5.57. I do want to cover my returns. I don't know. I think £5 for a t-shirt profit is about where it should be. Let's try doing that. Yeah, I feel much more comfortable with £6.56, and this is a much better price. So let's just submit that to the store. And yeah, that's it. We have our second product. So if I click on product here, any second now, this other one should appear. Any second now. Please say I did it to the right store. No. Okay, there we go. Thank God. Okay, so I really like this as the main image here. Let's have a look at the product page just to see what we're dealing with. But you can see already that the Shopify Printful integration works very well. It's very quick. Does that look kind of weird and grey? I don't really care, honestly. It's grey now. This is quite a cool design. I already have some designs here. Like I may as well add these at some point. I may as well just add these, honestly. I'll probably do that at some point. But yeah, for now, let's focus on what we're doing. So let's view this product here, and we'll have a little look. It looks fine. Where are the other images here? Oh, it only did the image I selected. Oh, that's so annoying. Really though? Nah, for real. That's kind of annoying. I'm gonna have to quickly go back and rectify that mistake. That's just my mistake, obviously. I didn't realize. So let's just try and add to the store again. It's probably gonna say it's already in there. It doesn't say that. Proceed to mockups. Okay, I've only got it on black and white, but I just want to really quickly get this to see what's going on here. All mockups. Yeah, I want all mockups. So I clicked this, so what did this give me? How do I just select them all? Is there really only one product image here? That's just stupid. Like, why would it do that? Oh, okay. So obviously just clicking here was the answer. I should have known that immediately. I want to add a few. So we want this one. I don't know. We want just a load of images to work with. But I definitely want one of these ones to be my main image. Am I going to have to do this every time? Can I not just save what I want? But main mockup I want to be this one. But does it still have these ones? No, that's so annoying, dude. Okay, let's try this again. Oh, that's annoying. I just copy it, it's fine. I need to change the name of the store as well. It's still just really amazing t-shirts. It's not really worth copying that. Didn't really add anything. Sorry about this, guys. I did say this was going to be a longer video, so. Oh, nice. Oh, that's perfect. Oh, that's really useful, actually. Good job. Okay, proceed to pricing. Do, what was it? $18.99. Why would it not have that saved? That's kind of annoying. There are so many like little things that they could change that would not take that long. Okay, let's see what happens here. I'm going to guess it's going to add a new product, in which case I'll delete this old product. Okay, now it's got no pictures. I'm so confused. Okay, that's the one that's on red, etc., which for some reason just didn't give me pictures. There we go, we've got pictures, we're fine. Nice. So let's just quickly take another look here by clicking preview. I want to see the variation. Yeah, it does have variations, perfect. Nice, this is great. This is exactly what we're looking for. It's got all the sizes, and yeah, we could already start selling basically, but we're not. We're gonna keep going in this niche and see what else we can find in this niche, which we already found some before. What did I search a second ago to find this? I searched the keyword again. What was the keyword? Catch up with Jesus, right? Catch up with Jesus in here. Okay. Catch up with Jesus. Is ketchup copyright? Probably. Is the word. Oops. Yeah, looks like it probably is. Maybe it's not. I don't really want to risk it, to be honest. I don't want anyone to copy me and then make the risk and then like have problems. So yeah, let's just stay away from it. Catch up with Jesus, let us praise him and relish him. Interesting keyword. I wonder how many results this has on Redbubble. I'm just curious. 10 results. That's so risky, man. Oh, this is the whole keyword. This guy's brave, man. Yeah. This is probably never going to sell because it's not even a keyword, but yeah, there we go. So let's create a new product template. Can I just duplicate my old product template? That's the real question. Yeah, but can I duplicate it, please? Thank you. Okay, let's edit this template. We've already got everything in place. We just need to, what I'm going to do is I'm going to correct this design because it wasn't actually the whole keyword. This is the whole keyword. I'm still going to keep the other one because like you never know what people are going to buy, honestly. I've done that loads of times. I'm not going to use ketchup even though it's much funnier. I would love to use it, but yeah. Part of your design is outside. Yes, I know. Okay, so yeah, I'm not going to bore you with the kind of design part of this, but because I mean this tool is really easy to use. Anyone can use this, honestly. But yeah, this is now the completed design. It has everything I need, and we're going to hit continue again. As you can see, guys, we're already, let me just see how long this process has taken so far. We are 23 minutes into this video and I've only uploaded 1.5 designs. So yeah, you can see that if you do want to do this, there's a reason that Redbubble is so popular. It's so much less work than this. But if you're really serious about selling t-shirts online, this is definitely the best way to do it. And yeah, it just takes time, basically. So we're going to hit the keyword, so we're going to have to type it, catch up with Jesus, let us praise and relish him. I'm going to copy that. Get rid of the word copy, always get rid of the word copy. I hate that. Okay, save product template, and then we're going to hit add to store again. I'm actually going to make this the last design. I know I said I was going to do 10. I'm already at my wit's end because this is just so slow, and yeah, there's probably a lot of benefit doing this automatically, to be honest with you. If you're really serious about this, you can maybe pay for Flying Upload for a month and upload 10,000 designs in that time. I don't know, it's up to you guys, honestly, but I'd probably only recommend doing this if you enjoy it, and if you don't enjoy it, then maybe it's just not right for you, basically. I don't know, because this is pretty slow. It's pretty slow, I'm not gonna lie. But if you get a kick out of it and you want to make some money in the future by putting in 2 to 3, 4 months of work doing this, then yeah, I can see the value in that for sure. I can definitely see the value in that. Okay, let's proceed to the most important part. We're going to hit the keyword there. We're going to put on trend. That's just going to be what we're going to be doing. I'm going to be working on this store in the background, guys. Whether I will ever release it, I have no idea. But if you do want to see more videos like this, please leave a comment and yeah, I don't know, let me know. These videos are not doing very well, to be honest with you. Let me just go back to details. I forgot to do tags. These videos comparatively aren't doing as well as my other videos. So in fact, it's useless using the word t-shirt here, because you can just make a collection that uses the word t-shirt in the title as well. It doesn't have to be in the tags. So you don't really have to worry about putting the word t-shirt there, thinking about it's kind of pointless. I wish they would save my pricing and just for the same thing. It's kind of annoying that you have to write $18.99 each time. But yeah, there we go. So the final thing I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to make a collection to tie all this together real quick. So we're going to create a collection and we're going to call it, where was this? No, it was here. Cheesy Christian joke t-shirts is what we're going to call it. Cheesy, funny, Christian. Also, guys, this is nothing against Christians or anything like that. I'm making this video. It just happened to be the first keyword that I found. Just, yeah, don't flame me, please. It's just an example. It just happens to be about cheeses. You don't really need to put a description. Again, like, we're beyond that point in terms of SEO. It can be nice to put in a description, but if you've got enough products on a collection page, if you've got 10 products or 15 or 20 products on each collection page, you don't really need to waste time putting a description. You don't really need to waste time putting a collection image. All you really need to do is make sure that the URL looks good and you have a meta description. So actually, yeah, I would say it's worth, sorry to just go back on what I said, but it's worth writing a description only because of the meta description, okay? Only because of the meta description. So you do need some content here. So let's say you want it to be unique every time as well. So hilarious collection of funny Christian t-shirts. Tongue in cheek and sarcastic shirts. Free shipping on all orders over $100. That's quite a lot. I don't know, let's say 50, because then they'll have to order 2 t-shirts in order to get free shipping, which I think is fair. Honestly, it's like a trade-off. I'm always thinking about, you have to think about these things from a business perspective. If you just say free shipping all across the world, you might have problems if you sell suddenly a load of t-shirts in another country. But if you make sure that you cover your shipping costs with your profit by making sure everyone has to order 2 t-shirts, you should be fine. If you want to be really, really safe, let's do 3 t-shirts. And then high quality organic cotton graphic t-shirts for okay. I'm just using, that's just an SEO word, guys. This is just an SEO word. Please don't flame me. Thank you. I only care about SEO. That's all I care about. Product tag is equal to, okay, and you can see they're all here. So we're going to hit cheesy Christian and because this is cheesy funny Christian t-shirt category. And then obviously when you make another one, you will use another tag, and even if it's the same products, who gives a crap, honestly. It's still a different page. So let me just show you what I mean by that. I'm gonna go down. Product tag is equal to, let's do, yeah, sure, why not? So funny Easter Christian t-shirts. Then you would write another meta description. I'm not going to do that right now because I just cannot be bothered. And then you hit save again, and then guess what? You've got 2 unique organic SEO pages in like a very, very short amount of time that have products on. Why are there 3? Why are there 3 of them? Oh yeah, I uploaded that other product. Okay, that's it, guys. That's going to be this installment of how to kind of make your own Shopify store. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Let me know if you're watching this far. I highly doubt anyone is going to watch 33 minutes of me rambling about Shopify, but I hope this was helpful for some people. Thank you for watching. I'll see you really, really soon with some more content, and peace out.